Instagram is the current darling of the social world. Brands in particular love Instagram because engagement is higher. But how do you know if Instagram is right for you? First, check to see if your competitors are using Instagram. If they're rocking the channel, that means you can too. Are your customers on Instagram? If you already have buyer personas and other marketing strategies in place, you can draw from those to help. Some factors to consider when narrowing down your target Instagram audience are age, location, gender, income, interests, motivations, and pain points. To really rock Instagram, you need to build a cohesive visual and content strategy that takes into account a variety of factors. Consider your buyer persona when thinking about how you want to develop your brand aesthetic. Figuring out what the right tone is for a given post will vary depending on your audience, your message, and its purpose.
Creating a visual theme, a visual story, a visual brand on Instagram is where you need to start. That is number one, hands down. If you don't have a cohesive look and feel that captures someone's attention, you're kind of losing out on what Instagram's all about.
You can create themes based upon color, subject matter, fonts, and more. A content calendar is key. It will help you plan your content, make sure you take into account holidays and events, and help you stay organized. Need ideas on the types of posts to create? We have a few ideas you can run with. Behind the scenes posts, reposts from employees, user-generated content, educational posts, influencer posts, motivational posts. Post regularly and try for a consistent look and feel among your photos.
Pay attention to the hashtags that you're using, paying attention to the top 9, and really looking at why they made it to the top 9.
Did you know that you don't have to be the creator of all the content you share? People want recommendations from real people, not a company hiding behind a logo on Instagram. In fact, 92% of customers say they trust UGC more than other forms of advertising. So what can you do to bring in followers? First, make sure your profile is optimized. Make sure your account name is search-friendly and that your call to action is very clear. Make sure to post at the right time to boost engagement. Posting content more during off-work hours tends to receive higher engagement in general. Make sure you're using the right hashtags. Use a good mix of a dedicated brand hashtag, trending hashtags, and niche hashtags. The big takeaway in all these tactics is that you need to engage. It's simply the best way to attract and keep your followers. Influencer marketing on Instagram is one of the biggest strategies in play on the platform. Make sure that you're choosing the right influencer for your audience.
Make sure that they can deliver on the promise that they're saying.
So let's talk about what I know you want to hear about most: how to convert those Instagram followers you have to buyers of your product. First, always pay attention to the call to action that you have in your content and in your bio. One of the best ways is to connect your Instagram efforts to an email strategy. To do this, offer exclusive content only for Instagram followers, and to access the offer, they need to click through to a mobilized email sign-up page. Follow these tips, and you'll soon be on your way to building a bigger audience base and turning those new fans into